Hi and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we're going to talk about default values. When we add a default value to a function's parameter, that value will be used for the function parameter if no argument is passed for it. Keep in mind that default values, the order dictates that the default values, they have to be the last parameters in the function definition. So let's see that in action. Let's see how that works and how that looks. I'm gonna grab our employee name function from the previous lecture. It had 3 parameters. One was ID, the other one was name, and the third one was department. Now, I want to provide a default value for the department parameter. And since it is the last one, I don't have to change its position. So if an employee has a specific department specified for them, that is okay. Otherwise, I'm just going to say that they belong to the development department. And I'm going to return this department, this parameter as well. Let's create two employee variables. Employee 1, call the function. And we're going to pass in 101. The name is Jane. I'm not going to pass in a specific department. I'm going to create another employee, employee 2. And let's call the function. This is going to be 102, John. And I say that they belong to the HR department. Very good. Let's save this. Let's take a look at the result in the console, employee 1 and employee 2. So if we take a look at the result in the console, we can see that for the first employee, I could type in the name or give a little bit hint, employee EMP-1, and I'm going to say EMP-2. So you can really see the difference. Save this. Let's jump into the browser. We can see for the first employee, the department that was returned from the function is dev. Why? Because we have not specified what department she belongs to. So when we did not specify an argument for this parameter, the default value will be used. And what is the default value? The default value is dev. But for the second employee, when we specify that he is in the HR, that is what has been used. And this was given preference over the default value. Default value can only be used if it is not provided an argument for. All right. And I think that is everything I wanted to talk about in this lecture. In the next video, we're going to talk about the function return types. See you then.